For over a decade, the Holbrook has been an iconic Oakley model, and it's a staple in their lifestyle line of sunglasses. But if you've come to this video, you've probably noticed just how many variations there are. Or you might be looking for a style that's best for you. So stick around, because this is the ultimate guide to all things Holbrook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Eric, and this is the destination on YouTube for all things optical, sunglasses, and lens technology. Let's talk about Oakley Holbrooks. First, each model is designed with a keyhole nose bridge, which helps distribute weight more evenly on the side of the nose instead of at the top. It's a great bridge style for people with wide noses or anyone who struggles with their glasses slipping down their face. And of course, it has its staple wide square frame. And by the way, if you're wondering how they might look on you, or if they'd be flattering on your face, check out our video on how to find the best sunglasses for your face shape, linked below. Now, all Holbrooks are also made with a bent temple, which means that the arms come pre-bent to help alleviate any tightness on the side of your head. Plus, all Holbrooks have something called a 3-point fit system, which means that they only touch your head in 3 places: the bridge of the nose, and behind each temple. That's where the similarities end between the styles. So let's get into the differences by starting off with our first model. So the original Oakley Holbrook is the standard basic style. Now, along with the shape, the bridge style, and the bent temple, the original is made with Oakley's patented O-Matter material, which is durable, flexible, and sweat resistant. Well, they don't tell us their exact recipe, but it's a nylon plastic composite that's used in a lot of Holbrook frames. It's super lightweight and doesn't crack over time, so you won't have to worry about replacing them in a year or two. Now, if you love durable frames just as much as we do, then give this video a thumbs up. Now, the original Holbrooks start at $212 and are available in 14 different polarized and non-polarized lens tints, including their prism color enhancing technology. So overall, they're just a great staple for any lifestyle. And now that we've got the OG covered, let's move into the variations, or remixes as Oakley calls them. This first remix is called Holbrook Metal. And you can probably guess from the name that it's made out of metal. It's a more contemporary twist on the original, which instead uses stainless steel to add style and durability. They're also secured in place with patented unobtainium interior stem pads, and the trademarked hollow point hinges are designed without screws to make them more sleek and durable. They come in 2 different colors, gunmetal and matte black, and they have a grooved lens, meaning that there's no frame touching the bottom or top of the lenses. Since they're metal though, they're more slippery and sensitive to sweat. So we don't recommend them for high intensity activities or anything other than a normal daily wear, really. Another thing to note about metal frames is that they're more susceptible to damage from water and salt water. So you definitely want to leave them at home when you go to the beach. Now, you can learn more about how this works in our video on how to protect your glasses and sunglasses from salt water. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for any future videos. All right, moving on. So the Holbrook mix is, you guessed it, a mix. It combines the original and the metal models by using stainless steel temples with that O-Matter frame. They come in 2 colors, wood grain and steel, and the mashup of original and modern gives it a really unique look. And the next remix is the Holbrook XL, which is designed for people with larger heads or wider faces. It has the same design as the classic, but it's scaled up a bit. This frame comes in matte and polished black, black crystal, gray smoke, matte brown tortoise, wood grain, and polished clear. So tons of options there. Then of course, there's the XS, or extra small, because you can't have a bigger version without a smaller version too. It's specifically designed for kids, but it works for anyone with a smaller head who doesn't want to be swimming in their sunglasses. Now, they come in matte black, plus 2 unique color options, matte gray ink and polished navy. Now for the final model. The Holbrook Rx meets the demands for prescription wearers who love Holbrook frames. The color options for the Rx frames are really unique. There's satin black, brown, gray smoke, matte brown tortoiseshell, polished clear, and polished black to clear fade. They also offer prescription blue light gaming lenses. Now, the lenses are offered in 54, 56, and 57 millimeter options. But fair warning, not every size is available in each color option. So overall, Holbrooks are extremely sturdy, high quality frames. But what if the lenses get scratched? Or you want different lenses for them? Well, that's where Fuse Lenses comes in. At Fuse, you can customize affordable replacement lenses for any Oakley Holbrook model, even ones that have been discontinued, like the Holbrook R and LX. Oakley offers replacement lenses too, but they start at $75 for the most basic options. Fuse offers lens replacements starting at just $24.99 per pair, and you can choose between 30+ replacement lens options, like tinted and mirrored, polarized, anti-reflective, blue light, photochromic, prescription, and the Fuse Pro line, where all the lens options are polarized, anti-reflective, and 3 times more durable. We also offer our AMP color enhancing lenses, which use extremely similar technology to Oakley's, except ours are half the price. Now, if you want to learn more, check out our playlist about color enhancing lenses linked below. And if you head over to fuselenses.com/YouTube, you can start customizing your own Holbrook replacement lenses. Or if you're looking for an affordable dupe, we offer frames called the Fuse Eggmont and the Eggmont XL, starting at just $54.99, which is nearly a quarter of the price of Oakley. But if you know which Holbrook model you want to grab now, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos on vision, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.